If your car broke down tomorrow and the repair bill was $800, could you pay it without going into debt?
Most Americans can't. In fact, 60% of people in the US can't cover a $1,000 emergency from savings.
Not because they're lazy, not because they don't try, but because nobody ever showed them a real plan. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to build a $1,000 emergency fund, even on $15 an hour. Let's start with the real math. At $15 an hour, working 40 hours a week, your gross paycheck is $600. After taxes, you're bringing home around $468 a week, about $2,025 a month. Rent, groceries, gas, phone bill, the money disappears fast. But here's what most people get wrong. The problem isn't that there's zero money to save. The problem is there's no system to capture it before it's gone. Step 1. Do the subscription audit. Pull up your bank statement and look for every recurring charge. The average American pays for subscriptions they forgot about: gym memberships, streaming apps, cloud storage. Ask yourself, if this subscription disappeared tomorrow, would I even notice? If no, cancel it today. Most people find $20 to $60 a month just in forgotten subscriptions. That's $720 a year going to waste. Step 2. Pick one spending category and cut it by half for just 90 days. Not everything, just one. Maybe it's delivery apps. Maybe it's eating out for lunch. Just pick one. Cutting just one category frees up $30 to $80 a month. That's $90 to $240 over 90 days toward your goal. Step 3. Open a separate high-yield savings account at a different bank than your checking account. When your savings live at the same bank as your spending, they disappear. Separation creates protection.
High-yield savings accounts pay 4 to 5% interest right now, compared to 0.01% at traditional big banks.
On $1,000 saved, that's $40 to $50 a year in free interest just for having the account. Now, set up an automatic transfer, even $25 a week, scheduled for the day after your paycheck hits. This is called paying yourself first. The money moves before you can spend it. No willpower needed. Here's what the timeline looks like. Saving $25 a week, you hit $1,000 in just 40 weeks. Save $50 a week, and you're there in 20 weeks, 5 months. That's before summer's over. And here's a secret weapon. Sell one thing a month on Facebook Marketplace. Most people have $500 to $1,000 worth of unused stuff sitting at home right now. List one item. Price it 20% below similar listings. It sells fast. That's $30 to $100 extra per month going straight to your fund without touching your paycheck. Now, here's the real reason most people never build an emergency fund. It's not income, it's timing. They say, I'll start next month. Next month becomes next year. And then the emergency happens anyway. Even $10 a week is $520 a year. That is a car repair. That is a plane ticket home. Progress beats perfection every single time. Start with whatever you have. Here are your 4 milestones. Screenshot this. Every time you hit one, celebrate it. That feeling of progress is what keeps you going all the way to $1,000. Here's your action plan before you close this video. 1. Do the subscription audit tonight. 2. Open a high-yield savings account. 3. Set up your automatic weekly transfer. Even $10, just automate it. Drop your weekly savings goal in the comments. I read every single one. You've got this.